Hey, it's Charlie My Beauty. I'm here with a new beat.
Early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit.
Okay, y'all, it's Charlie My Beauty. I'm here with a new beat. It's just gonna be like a smoky eye today. Nothing too extra. I'm trying to get out of here. Get off work first. Okay. Okay, so I'm going in with my Ruby Kiss lip pencil for my eyebrows in the shade dark brown. The Maybelline eyebrow pencil and the Juvia's Place lip pencil, those lasted me a couple weeks and that was it. My beauty supply lip pencils and eyebrow pencils, they last me at least a month plus. So here we are. Okay, hey, it's Charlie My Beauty. Today's Monday. I mean, that's a little ponytail. Okay, so I'm going in with my Infallible Wear Concealer in the shade Caramel to clean up my brows. Okay, so I'm blending that out. The Infallible Wear Concealer by L'Oreal. It does dry fast, so go ahead and blend that out. It's tacky all by itself. No need to wait. And if you're looking at your makeup at the end, when you complete your look and one brow looks longer than the other, it's probably because it is. So you can go in and blend that out right in between your nose and your eyes. Just blend it out the beginning of the brow to make it evenly aligned. Here we're going in with the same concealer to clean up our top brow, which is Infallible Wear Caramel. Okay, so blend that out. You don't want any harsh lines. And then also, you can go in with your foundation on top, so you don't have that halo effect look when your look's all said and done. Right now, I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is in the shade Fawn, so that we can create that base for our eyeshadow. And then I actually go in and I set that with the Airspun setting powder, the shade Translucent. Okay, so if you don't know, you know now. I'm going in with the Culture 2 palette. The first color I'm going in was like a golden color called Rivers. Then we're going to go on with that canary yellow in the shade Queen Vibes. And then we're going to go on with Dashiki. I know I said I was doing a smoky look, but hey, this is the look we got done today, and it came out very beautiful. Things are actually looking up. We got out of that whole eviction process. I ended up paying like $7,800 to keep my place. And things are actually going to be looking up for us. You know, got 2 incomes coming in, so I'll be able to spend a little bit more to invest in my page and, you know, other little niches that I'm interested in doing. So I'm going to be able to bring more to the table as far as value and entertainment and education. All right. This dashiki color is so pretty. I was determined it was like a burgundy. My husband was saying, girl, that's purple. I'm actually convinced it's like a purple. So it's like a purple burgundy color. This palette's not giving too many shades of brown, so I will be going to top off and get me some more makeup and some more eyeshadow palettes because fall is coming back around and I want to be able to do soft glam, but we're going to mix it up a little bit, step outside our comfort zone, and you know, learn some new looks, bedazzle some stuff. I went in with the same concealer, Infallible Wear Caramel, to clean up that eyeshadow. Yes, it's looking a little bit purple because of the eyeshadow, but that's okay. It's going to blend out perfectly when I go to highlight my T-zone with concealer and lay down the foundation. Okay, so trust the process. Okay, so I'm going in with the Fit Me foundation in the shade 360, which is Mocha. I think I'm gonna have to go back to Latte, y'all. But this is what we're using today to complete this look. Okay, so I could have gone on with 2 shades just for fuller coverage, but like I said, today we're going out doing DoorDash delivery, so you don't want too much makeup on, okay? So I went in with 1 shade, but keep in mind you can go with 2 shades if you want fuller coverage. But this pretty much covered my blemishes, so the 1 shade kind of worked out okay. And then we went in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn to highlight our T-zone, okay? Cannot wait to get some new brushes. Anyways, I'm going in with the Damp Beauty Blender by Real Techniques to blend out that concealer. And then we're going to go in and contour and set everything in place with our setting powder.
I've heard it all. Our conversations got me feeling I'm the fool. Like I should've listened when they said that you would treat me like he did.
Said I did it all. Situation makes me feel I'm not a man at all. Swore I've been this.
Okay, sorry for the extra background noise. I'm in the car editing my video. I'm going in with the Damp Beauty Blender to blend out all that concealer. And then we're going to set our face with the Airspun Setting Spray. That's my cat, Taz. It's the Airspun Setting Powder in the shade Translucent. We're going to set our face and then go on with our bronzer, you guys. I start out using the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer, and then I go over that with the Juvia's Place palette bronzer in the shade Dark. So let me know what you ladies think. Excuse my cat. Now let me get the close up because it looks like it's just melting. And it is. It's just melting, y'all. And this is the translucent powder. Translucent. You're like, oh, ghost, but it's okay.
And I take it all back just to have you in my palm. And I know for a fact who you are, it do be hard.
Don't think you care about me.
No girl, I care about you.
But you don't care about nobody.
Nobody but you.
Don't think you care about me.
No girl, I care about you.
But you don't care about nobody.
Nobody but you.
Okay, I'm going on with the MAC Studio Fix Foundation Powder in the shade NW45. Okay, now I got a little bit of poppy seed blush I'm gonna throw in. So quick, what's been going on with me outside of my housing and trying to make sure I'm not getting evicted. And my cat, I was doing DoorDash and dropping my husband off, and this cat was in the engine of the car. Stop, I'm trying to show them. He hurt his paw, y'all. Look at that. So, he's okay. Shinobi, say hi. Say hi, Nobi. I'm trying to do my makeup. He just want to sit on me right now, but I can't. I have to get ready to go. Okay? Go lay down. I have makeup on your shirt. My mom's like, you don't need to wear makeup every day. Makeup is for ugly people. I was like, makeup was not made for ugly people. It was made for those of us ladies who believed in doing something extra. I don't know. I feel like makeup is taking the time out for yourself. A lot of people say, oh, natural beauty is what's best. Okay, that might be the case, but it's something about when a woman does her makeup, it shows to me that she cares about her appearance. Not that you don't if you don't wear makeup, but my sister, she was one of them. Oh, I don't need makeup. I was like, what the fuck? What you trying to say? And then it came down to, that's a lot of steps. I watched your video, that's too much. But it's really not. To me, makeup is no different than you washing your body, getting out the shower, drying off, moisturizing your body, and putting on your perfumes and go. It's no different. You can look at it as a lot of steps. It doesn't have to be a lot of steps. I just feel like people get the wrong idea about makeup, and people hate on those of us that wear it because they simply don't know how. Don't know how. Don't care to take the time out. Don't care to spend any money on it. From my wigs to my makeup. All my family and friends be like, oh, that's too much. I could never spend that. Okay, well, that's something that if it's something you're passionate about, you can spend it all day. But if you don't care for it, of course, something as simple as I could never spend that will come out your mouth. Okay, that's that. And before I move on, I'll pull all my pencils in here because FYI, that's the best thing phone. If not, your makeup bag. Let me just shine a little bit brighter than I would like it to. So I'm going to get my foundation brush. Just a little bit.
For I've been this fool that I catch you for. I guess I couldn't handle it. Oh. And I know you're probably thinking I ain't worth it, but I never want anyone to bring you any harm. And I take it all back just to have you in my arms. And I know for a fact who you are into the heart.
No, we're not doing eyelashes today. Let me know. Do y'all think eyelashes is a must when you wear makeup? is the beat. I got my little ponytail. Charlie my baby.